Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well Secret, right? So in this videos, I would like to share with you about PrimeStock, right? So PrimeStock basically is a repository of videos, GIF file or animated file or any image file. It's like it's a huge stock of the all these different graphic asset or videos that you can actually do inside you go inside the app you can actually search by keyword to get all these different images or picture and even some videos and also for your different use for your marketing content or for your advertisement of anything else you can think of. So that is PrimeStop, and also if you click the link below this video, you're going to come to this my debut page about PrimeStop, right? So in this PrimeStop, and we have this is say have 1.2 billion HDM videos and 3 million HD images and 50,000 premium GIF and also over 5,000 premium Dolby free physical track. Also, they even have music track for you to download and over 10,000 vectors, image and icons, right? Ambient and easy to use image editors come along. So inside this PrimeStop, right? Okay, if you click the link below this video, you come to my review page and click any of the button here. It bring you to this PrimeStop, right? So inside this PrimeStop, you can see they are actually this is a demo, and this is you can actually see this is a sales page of the PrimeStop, right? Okay, so what it said in front of this, it's a searchable and browsable cloud-based platform with 5 million premium royalty free HD and 4K stock videos, image vector and animation GIF and audio track, and all these you can find the perfect footage or email for your next video post or app, blog or website, right? Okay, right. So this is exactly what you'll be getting inside the PrimeStop, right? Okay, right. So there is a go through this is sales page, take your time, and there's also is said how we can actually we can use this PrimeStop in 100 seconds. How we can actually grab any of your video, and you can actually download the video for your own use, and that is one of the demo video is actually inside this app itself, right? Okay, so there's some of the example put together here. Okay, you can see this is this HD videos, and we have these others 3 million HD images, high density, and also 50,000 premium GIF file, and also over 5,000 premium royalty free music track. Okay, over 10,000 vector image and icons, right? And animated icon also, and premium and easy to use image editor, right? So that is basically what we have here on this, and also let me take you to my debut page about this, right? Okay, just also scroll down to this right. Okay, see this is I think the final is only 47, right? Okay, all these different all the collection of image and the video in one group, right? So you can have everything you need, right? You can see all this is have been summarized in this all these more than 10 items can be searchable, browsable form, and downloadable from this PrimeStop, right? Okay, so there is once is you're doing the two, you making one of these three mistakes or wasting time and money with freelancers, right? You may going to the freelancers asking to design this icon or to get you a video, something like that, or for you any of your contents marketing purpose, and you may end up use copyrighted content found on the internet. Again, this legal issue happen and paying 100 for a single image or video. I think that's what happening in the Fiverr. People charging very high price, right? Okay, so this is how they are charging for a single stock image. You can see people are charging for a single image also, and for a single video, even for a single music. They're charging such a high cost. So imagine you can get this PrimeStop and also use the PrimeStop to even create your own videos or images, right? and you can get this and edit the images. They say image editor and come along, and you can edit these images and sell it to any of the people they need the marketing content. Right? Okay, there's a video I put together here, and also there's front end and OTOs, and this is some of the price here, and 37 is front end, OTO1, OTO2, OTO3. So the Searchable app, premium editors, all these different stock image, video, icons, and audios, everything is in one right? Multiple format and high quality download. Alright. And the commercial rights also use stock in Crans project, and OTO1 is a powerful video editor with drag and drop timeline editors, and this come with the also this OTO have the video editor, and in this front end they have this image editor, right? So again, this is social sharing, and this is also have come with commercial line. And OTO2 is again perfect background music and sound for videos, and huge library of over 500,000 HD premium video track. Okay, right. So as in the sellers, and you can get this whole this seller for 197 or 297, right? Okay, for 50 or 250 account, you can sell this to account and maybe 2,000 or anyone who in need of this depository, right? So everything is under one roof. You don't have to search around and end up you are using copyrighted this thing, right? Okay, it's a limited commercialized money back guarantee also, right? Okay, so this is a sum up and of this content item you can derive from this depository, right? So with this PrimeStocks, I also have been also be giving you a lot of bonuses, and also $2 cashback if you purchase the PrimeStocks via the link below my video, and so I will give you the cashback if you actually give you a PayPal ID, and this custom PrimeStocks bonus here also, right? First is you buy the front end and only on the OTO, right? Okay, the one on the OTO is OTO1. There is come with a video editor, right? Okay, there are more items, background, and also animated icon, everything. And also we have this also we have other things like okay, we have this special bonus too. My own product, IM PLR Vault, and you can access to 6,000 PLR ebook and videos. You are free to the burn it and the sell it, right? Okay, right. So that's it about hand and tips how to make money with PrimeStocks. Let's say you just want to buy the front end. I'm still getting you a lot of bonuses from me, right? And PrimeStocks, how to make money with PrimeStocks, because it comes with a commercial, right? There's a special tutorial I put together, tips how to make money with the PrimeStocks, and also I've actually prepared some of these already congruent bonuses for this PrimeStocks, and all this is 3,000 email motivation code, right? It's a very beautiful design email motivation code. You can actually use this for posting on Facebook or Instagram, and to get you a lot of followers, because all this motivation code is really give people a really good encouragement if you post this kind of content on the social media, or you can actually make or also can mix it together when you produce any other video. And this is so beautiful, 3,000 email motivation code, and for your social posting content or for your website, you can put it up on your website anyway. Also, the second bonus is the video library. I have 250 videos produced by our own in-house team, right? Okay, so it costs 8,000 to create, and it can be used today. Imagine if you have to go to the Fiverr to get people produce even one video, it may cost you 100 or 200. Like, okay, you can use this to promoting your blog and site, giveaway for engagement, build a membership site, and etc. Right? Okay, so social media marketing tool on the cloud is easy auto post, schedule Instagram post along with Facebook and Twitter, right? And exclusive this building training with 100 free solo at click. This is again this building training with 100 free solo at the end of this buildings. You can actually also have this 100 free solo app to get you any of these sales of any of the lead, right? Okay. Also, you have the YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO. This is you can apply all these trick and technique how to run your YouTube video and channel, right? And also we have this high ticket system. Again, high ticket system is again give you teach you how to make high ticket commission for high ticket sales, right? And super affiliate secret, this is again one of these video tutorial how to make you become a super affiliate. And super affiliate software funnel, this is really make done for you funnel with video cost to sell, we are able to give away and sales page fully automated by our in-house team. It's a full reseller like also, and have this instant traffic system, how to get instant traffic system, and a 50 SEO tool on the cloud. You can use this SEO tool to learn your website on YouTube, and also product launch attack. This is again how to make the best use of your product, and also get Jerry partner on board where you need, and also make the best use of your launch up. Instagram for entrepreneur, YouTube sponsorship income, and this is again get you a more benefit for how to profit from Instagram and how to profit from YouTube channel, blog and pin automated. Right, email search is again how a bonus set actually is with all the you can learn how to apply implement this to boost your email conversion rate. And also we have this conversion tool to get you more lead and sale, and it's an e-commerce site builder. And we have this funnel kit. Okay, it's a complete funnels builder. You can build your funnel using this, or even can sell this also. And video creation app. Okay, it is a tribal creation app, so video creation app you can use together with this PrimeStocks, right? But you don't have to buy any. You don't have to buy the OTO 2 or 3, which have to buy another video creation app. And we have this water traffic cloud app and affiliate store builder. And again, free traffic you don't know, and also sex pay underground traffic source, and training how to make money online without selling, and TikTok traffic app, and also Instagram traffic app, all this. And at the end is the 100 giveaway bonuses. This is a huge bundle of bonuses can be with this using this giveaway, right? Including videos, ebooks, software, template, right? Okay, or you can actually decouple it and also give it away as a standalone bonuses, or you can actually load whichever you want. And this is for you. Everything is for the cost of over $40 and less than $50. You're going to get all these bonuses. So imagine you're going to get my special bonus 1 and 2 if you actually purchase find any other OTO. Right, so I guess the vendor have also giving you a lot of vendors bonuses. You can have to take a look into here, and all this you can see there's a sales space of 67 and 47, right? So 47 is 67 even is a premium, right? Okay, is everything is there, and this have all these 10K have stock has more videos, icons. Okay, there's more content here. With the 67 is only one time, and this is a commercial light. Okay, so 47 is only personal use, right? So I will suggest you to get this. You can actually do a lot of things with all this content, right? Okay, so this is really valuable content, right? Alright, so also before I end today's presentation, let me quickly show to you about the PrimeStocks, right? So when you log into the PrimeStocks, this is what you're going to see, the dashboard. The dashboard on the left hand side, you can see you can find HD images, find animated GIF, find HD video, find icon, find illustration, find sticker, stock image videos as motion background, PowerPoint template. This is a pro version, right? That is a premium set, so you can see what you can do. You just need to do a search, right? Okay, let's say for images, you continue to do a search, and you can actually just click on this button for sharing. You can share it to Twitter, right? Or you can actually share it to Facebook, or you can actually call up the image editor. There are two image editor that come along. You can actually edit and just save it. Okay, there's another image editor, right? One is called this under can just start editing. Then we go to the pixel editor, right? Okay, it's against some other things like these are two image editor that come together, so it's very easy to use, right? So other than that, you can even if you don't want to edit, you can just find, you can just download it basically. Okay, very simple. Download to your local PC, right? Same thing for the animated GIF. You can actually do a search of very lost example, right? Okay, so you can actually download all these, and okay, there are more and more here, and it's a find HD video. You can find the HD video here with a keyword also. Just search, right? It's very simple to use, right? Okay, so there are more HD video. Find the icon you want. Okay, find sticker, right? Okay, you can find the sticker, find the icon like lost, right? You can just click search whichever you want this icon here, and also there is a sticker. You can find sticker. You can find illustration, so everything can be easily be found using the keyword. Okay, stock image and videos, motion background, etc., and all this it can be used, right? So it's very simple to use this. Don't even have to any tutorial. It's very simple. Just to search by the keyword and there are support here, right? Okay, so that's basically about the prime stock, right? So as I said, that first section, and I have only very limited bonuses back for the first 30 percent, and I'm giving away some on this cashback, $2 cashback, right? Take fast session today and click the link below this video, and all these bonuses, I think they're over close to 200 bonuses I prepare for this. This is value close to $10,000, and I have also given you a $2 cashback if you purchase via the link below my video, right? So take fast action today, and all this bonus will be you, and this definitely the prime stock is something everyone will need, and this content, the huge content of videos, image file is going to give you a lot of marketing and sales content, and definitely it's going to take your business to the next level. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.